Hi, speed lovers and adrenaline seekers. Welcome back to another electrifying showdown where raw innovation takes on timeless engineering excellence. Today, get ready for steel titans versus racing royalty. Tesla Cybertruck versus Porsche 911 Carrera, the ultimate drag race face-off. It's a battle where futuristic power meets iconic precision, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Both marvels of automotive mastery are lined up, engines growling, ready to unleash pure chaos across the tarmac. Trust me, you won't want to blink. Buckle up for heart-racing action. Let's ignite this legendary battle. Meet the machines, arriving with all the flair of a sci-fi fantasy. The Tesla Cybertruck stands bold, futuristic, and unapologetic. It comes equipped with a dual-motor setup, delivering an impressive 608 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and weighs a massive 3,009 kilograms. This particular Cybertruck, with upgrades and import charges, totals a whopping 150,000 pounds. Its ride is set to lowered height, focused handling, and it operates in sport mode during the race. Although not the top-tier cyberbeast version, it still promises formidable acceleration. Facing off against it is the new Porsche 911 Carrera, an icon carved from decades of motorsport mastery. Under its sleek shell, it houses a 3.0-liter turbocharged flat-six engine, capable of producing 394 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque. It sends all that power to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox equipped with launch control. Weighing only 1,520 kilograms and starting from 99,800 pounds, the 911 stands as a pure example of lightweight precision engineering. Off the line, the signal blazes and instantly, the Cybertruck leaps forward, brute force pushing it hard off the line. That raw torque from the dual motors is nothing short of ferocious, allowing it to grip the cold surface with aggressive confidence. Meanwhile, the Porsche 911 Carrera, with its refined launch control system, claws for traction. Despite rear-wheel drive and chilly conditions, it bursts forth with elegance and ruthless efficiency, refusing to yield an inch easily. Both vehicles rocket toward the 60-mile-per-hour barrier. Though the Cybertruck initially gains a slight advantage, the Porsche's lightweight body and razor-sharp response begin closing the gap. It's a breathtaking clash of styles, power against poise. Quarter-mile conquest roaring off the line, both machines unleash every ounce of their potential. But as the racers thunder towards the crucial quarter-mile marker, the battle intensifies like never before. The Tesla Cybertruck, with its monstrous torque and all-wheel drive traction, grabs an early advantage. Its immense low-end punch rockets it forward with surprising ferocity, and for a brief, glorious moment, it looks like the Cybertruck might dominate this drag strip duel. Beyond the initial surge, momentum begins to favor the Porsche 911 Carrera. With its lighter weight and razor-sharp aerodynamic design, the 911 gains ground relentlessly. While the Cybertruck starts to feel the burden of its massive weight, the Porsche glides forward with unwavering precision, its turbocharged flat-six engine singing as it climbs through the gears. The finish line looms closer. The Porsche 911 blitzes past the quarter-mile marker in a blistering 12.3 seconds. Hot on its heels, the Tesla Cybertruck thunders across at 12.7 seconds. It was close and brutal, but ultimately, finesse, lightweight agility, and racing pedigree trumped brute force and raw torque. The 911 proved why legends are made, not imagined. But the battle wasn't over yet. With the standing start decided, it was time to reset the game. The Cybertruck uses its immediate electric power delivery to surge forward as soon as the signal is given. It moves ahead with strong acceleration, capitalizing on the absence of launch lag and showing impressive mid-range punch. For the initial stretch, the Cybertruck maintains a noticeable lead. The Porsche 911, with its optimized gear ratios and efficient power delivery at higher speeds, begins to steadily claw back the distance. Its lighter frame and aerodynamic body allow it to gather pace more effectively without resistance holding it back. Approaching 110 miles per hour, the 911 decisively overtakes the Cybertruck. The electric pickup, despite its strong start, edges closer to its 114 mile per hour top speed limit and struggles to accelerate further. Meanwhile, the Porsche continues to push forward without hesitation. By the time they cross the half-mile point, the Porsche has built a clear and commanding lead. The Cybertruck's early burst proved insufficient over the longer stretch, and the 911 asserted full control, winning the rolling race with a decisive margin. Rolling rematch. With the half-mile sprint complete, a new challenge was set. A rolling rematch designed to push both machines even harder. This time, the Porsche 911 was prepared with a sharper strategy, dropping into second gear and switching to sport mode for an even faster throttle response. As the signal flashed, the Carrera leapt forward instantly, taking full advantage of its optimized gearing. The Cybertruck unleashed a strong surge of torque, but it wasn't enough to outpace the Porsche's focused acceleration. Right from the start, the 911 held a firm lead, powering ahead cleanly without hesitation. As both vehicles pushed toward their respective top speeds, the Porsche continued to stretch the gap with authority. While the Cybertruck approached its maximum, the 911 surged effortlessly, making it clear who ruled this rematch. Another dominant win was locked in, further reinforcing the Carrera's edge over sheer brute strength. Final verdict. Today's epic clash between Tesla's bold innovation and Porsche's enduring legacy taught an undeniable lesson. Raw technology and overwhelming force can deliver breathtaking moments. But when it comes to pure performance, heritage, precision, and lightweight design still rules supreme on the drag strip. The Tesla Cybertruck proved itself to be a remarkable engineering marvel. Rugged, powerful, and designed for a wide range of terrains and challenges. However, when the stopwatch mattered most, the Porsche 911 Carrera's racing DNA, honed over decades, stood tall. Its ability to translate power into consistent, refined execution made all the difference. It wasn't just about speed, it was the perfect balance of agility, control, and sharp handling over every inch of the race that secured the Porsche's sweeping and undeniable victory. If you had a blast watching this action-packed showdown, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more high-octane content, share it with fellow speed enthusiasts, and drop your pick in the comments. Would you take the Cybertruck's brute force or the 911's precision down the strip? Stay tuned for more thrilling races, wild matchups, and record-breaking battles. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you at the next checkered flag.